Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Lapiz, and for those of you who do not know me, I am a beauty blogger here on YouTube. I've been trying to figure out for the last few weeks, why am I doing this? You know, there are a good amount of beauty bloggers on YouTube. There's a few here and there. So what is it exactly that makes me different? Why should you, as a viewer, as a consumer, why should you take the time to watch my videos? Why should you subscribe to me? You know? And for the life of me, I could not come up with a reason. I really couldn't. Until I realized that I'm kind of awesome. Not to toot my own horn or anything. But I think I'm pretty awesome. I think I'm real. I think I'm informative. I give good information. And I'm hilarious. I crack me up all the time. The thing is, here on my channel, I'm gonna show you makeup. I'm gonna show you how to take care of your curly hair. I'm gonna show you how to take care of your skin. But a lot of beauty bloggers do that. So what's different about me? I'm also gonna show you how to break the rules. Rules are meant to be broken. Makeup is about expression. So why is it that we spend all this time on YouTube trying to figure out all these makeup rules, what you should and shouldn't do, how you should layer your eyeshadow, what kind of lipstick you should wear with a bold eye, and what kind of lipstick you should wear with a neutral eye? I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. It's your face. Paint it however you want. The rules of makeup kind of don't exist. But there's an industry that has made millions and millions of dollars to make you think otherwise. So here on my channel, we're doing things a little bit differently. Yes, I'm giving you makeup tutorials. Yes, I'm giving you challenges. Yes, I'm giving you good information, but we're also gonna have fun. Okay? We're gonna play around with color. We're gonna play with texture. We're going to learn at the same time. We're gonna have fun. And we're gonna express ourselves as makeup artists, as people, because as of right now, you're a makeup artist. And I'm gonna make sure that by the time you're done with my videos, you believe it too. If you're one of the people who you really want to stick to the rules of makeup, you don't do this, you don't do that, this might not be the channel for you. Because let me tell you, I break the rules at least once a video. It is what it is. I'm a rule breaker. But if you're like me, if you are so tired of the monotony that has taken over the practice of being a makeup artist, and you want to take that back, if you like me, subscribe. If you don't, that is fine. You should still subscribe though. I upload new videos every single day, so you can always look forward to having some kind of content from me. I look forward to talking to you and learning with you and having fun with you. So, welcome to the family. I hope that this video, that this trailer has given you some idea of who I am as a YouTuber, as a person, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.